this is a zipper tape idling machine with 6 pieces tape. The output is about 12 kilogram per hour for one tape. So 6 tape is 72 kilogram per hour. So now first let's see the original tape without idling. So it's no stranger, okay? And then after idling, let's see the result. It's a very stranger. It's a very stranger, okay? Very stranger. So look at, it's a very quickly. Also the speed can be adjusted. Okay, now let's see the inside. So you see inside have the 6 tape. It's idling, okay. If you are interested for this machine, please feel free to contact us. Thank you. Let's see the result again. Very stranger, okay?